Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to install EDB Enterprise Data Postgres database in Windows. Go to Google and type EDB Postgres download and open this link and you will redirect it to this page. Here you will see that this is the Linux for 64-bit, 32-bit, this is for Mac OS, this is for Windows, 64-bit, this is for 32-bit up to 9.35 we mean up to 10.325 we have a 32-bit support up to from 11 onwards there is no 32-bit support. So as of now in the Postgres we are having 16.2 version. So if you download this that it will get downloaded. I already downloaded. Okay, so I will show you in the Windows 10 machine which is installed in VMware workstation. Okay, so since I have already installed in my main laptop. Okay, so this is the issue. The total size of this exe file is 362 MB, and you can see that it is having 16.2 version. Okay, so now right click on that, select run as administrator. Here you need to select yes. So here we got the screen. Now you need to proceed to next. Okay, so it is the installation. This is the installation directory. Okay, now you just copy this path to be on safe side where we are installing, and I'm copying this. Okay, now next. So as of now, I need all this. PG admin is already installed, right? In the last video I showed you. So at this reason, I am unchecking that. If you don't require, I mean to say uh, if it is not installed in your machine, I recommend you to select this box. Now I am proceeding unchecking this. Next, next. Now you need to set the password. Next, this is the Postgres port 5432 default login. Next, next. Now it is installing the PostgreSQL server in Windows. Meanwhile, I will go through the official page of how we can install okay, from EDB. So this is the official documentation. So this is how you need to uh, now this path is if you want to use PLSQL and you need to by default the wizard we cannot add to that your environment variables. That's the reason it is asking you to add that variable. Okay. Now we have successfully installed SQL Server. So we need to check the box to be frank, to install additional drivers or of anything like PLSQL, okay. So I mostly recommend this option to be selected. Now click finish. Select that Postgres for this server. Proceed to next. I am selecting. I don't require language. I required PC bouncer. Database ODBC 64-bit I required. Okay, database servers. I don't require. It is already installed, right? No, no problem. And I think these are all, as of now, the, these are all not required for me. Facial expression is also not required. Web action is also not required. PG agent is enough for me. Okay, for this installation. Now proceed to next. Next. PG agent like SQL Server agent for Postgres. Now next. Now next. Password. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server and we have restarted. Now let's open PZ admin. Hmm, no, not require this one. So now you need to enter the password. So we have successfully connected to the local PostgreSQL Server 16th version. Okay, see this is like PG agent which was installed by the stack dump. Okay, right now if I go through database, you can like download like anything like okay. If you want to create text database and you can mention whatever parameter that you want. So right now I'm just clicking yes. See, immediately the database got created. So in this what we have learned is how we install PostgreSQL Server 16th version and how we can connect using pgadmin. This is what we have seen in the this video. So I hope you are going to like this video and thank you. Bye.